So in 2026, when globalization is rapidly altering the horizon of the business development, accessing multiple markets isn't just about growth milestone. It is an operational necessity. For many organizations, the assumption is simple that a courier company or a freight forwarder can simply manage their shipment to any remote location. But the moment your shipment crosses the border, a different reality emerges. See, moving a shipment from one point to another is just a primary step in a supply chain management. But the minute your shipment enters or reaches the destination, they are exposed to a set of legal regulations and compliance requirements that are crucial to meet in time. And without a registered local entity, you cannot move forward. Now the question is, how can I access multiple markets at a time when all of them carry different compliance rules and regulations? See, understanding compliance requirement, product classification, valuation, and regulatory adherence for every market is nearly impossible without a compliance expert. Specifically in the IT industry, where servers, networking equipment, and data-enabled hardware fall under dual-use goods, encryption regulations, and country-specific approvals, even a small compliance gap can delay projects, trigger penalties, or restrict future movements. So that's where an IOR becomes invaluable. An importer of record is a registered entity that assumes full responsibility and risk associated with importing goods into a country. The IOR takes legal ownership of your shipment while they are in transit, protecting them from potential liabilities and import-related risk. So let's take China as an example. If a business wants to expand in a country like China, it can only exercise a smooth importation process with a local established entity, because Chinese customs demand a set of licenses and permissions to export certain type of goods. So when a business ships servers, networking equipment, or data-enabled hardware into China, custom doesn't just look at the invoice or the shipping documents. They look at who is legally responsible for that import. That is where your choice of importer of record becomes critical. In China, the IOR must be local registered entity with the correct business scope, custom registration, and the ability to manage product classification, valuation, and regulatory fillings. For ICT equipment, this often includes compliance with China compulsory certification, which is CCC, encryption regulations, and potential dual use or technology controls. If the IOR is not properly structured or experienced, shipment can be held at customs, approval can be delayed, or authorities may flag the importer of record for further audits, impacting not just one shipment, but your future movements. So for the business expanding globally, having a competent importer of record isn't about clearing goods faster. It is about managing regulatory risk upfront. Hence, an IOR is not a logistics function of moving goods from one point to another. It is a critical risk management decision in your business expansion. In international trade, your IOR is either your legal shield or your weakest link. Hence, your choice of IOR can literally change the way your business develops and is a crucial step toward expanding into new markets. Check out our latest blog to find more about risk affiliated with acting as an importer of record.